Reasons to live in Alaska. People choose to live in Alaska for a variety of reasons. Some key reasons include breathtaking beauty. Alaska is known for its stunning landscapes, including mountains, glaciers, forests, and coastlines. The state offers a wide range of activities such as hiking, fishing, hunting, skiing, kayaking, and snowboarding. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Unique lifestyle. Alaska offers a slower pace of life compared to many other parts of the United States. Very few people live there compared to other states. Less than 1 million people in a state twice the size of Texas. Residents often enjoy a more relaxed lifestyle, with a strong emphasis on outdoor activities and a connection to nature. Economic opportunities. Alaska has a diverse economy, with significant sectors in oil, gas, tourism, and fishing. You can be paid to live there. Alaska is unique in that it provides an annual payment to eligible residents through the Alaska Permanent Fund dividend, which is funded by oil revenue. Cultural heritage. Alaska has a rich cultural heritage with a significant indigenous population that has lived in the region for thousands of years. The state celebrates its diverse cultures through various events and traditions. For those seeking a more isolated and independent lifestyle, Alaska offers the opportunity to live in remote areas with a strong sense of community and self-sufficiency. These factors contribute to the appeal of Alaska for many individuals and families looking for a unique lifestyle in a smaller community. Do you have what it takes to live there? Well, there's a little more to the story. If you are curious, head over to my video on why you may want to give it additional thought. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe so you don't miss new commentary on interesting places in this world of ours. Bye for now, and get out there.